In this video, I am giving you 5 budget skincare tips to help you save money without sacrificing results. I'm Dr. Maren Locke. I'm a board-certified dermatologist known here on YouTube as the Budget Dermatologist. Make sure you are subscribed for more skincare made simple content and follow me on Instagram at the Budget Dermatologist. So let's get into it with tip number 1. Do not overspend on cleansers and moisturizers in your skincare routine. If you are on a budget, save the majority of your budget for those treatment products to treat skin conditions like acne, dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, and save your money on more budget-friendly cleansers and moisturizers. For cleansers, I like to recommend creamy cleansers that will hydrate the skin that are fragrance-free. 2 of my favorite options are the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser and the Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser. The Vanicream one is under $10. It is certainly one of my favorite holy grail budget-friendly cleansers. I have all of these linked below. Now for moisturizers, I see brands selling moisturizers for over $100. But let me tell you, you can get incredible moisturizers right from the drugstore for less than $20 or right around that price. Again, for moisturizers, I recommend fragrance-free. You want to look for options that contain ceramides, which is a skin lipid that's going to help you maintain that moisture barrier and skin barrier. You want to look for niacinamide, which is a water-soluble vitamin that helps brighten the skin and also strengthen the skin barrier, among many other benefits. And look for moisturizers that have great humectants to draw moisture and water into the skin, like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Some of my favorite drugstore affordable moisturizers I have all linked in the description of this video. Roche Posay has really a holy grail called the Double Repair Moisturizer. I have used this for years, and if you have watched any of my videos on my channel, you see that I recommend that one all the time. That is one of my top favorites to pair with a retinoid product at night. e.l.f. has one, the Holy Hydration Face Cream, the fragrance-free version. That's amazing and very affordable. Cerave has a really great night cream option that's more like a balm texture that I have loved for years. So I have all of those favorites linked below. Do not overspend on basic skincare products like cleansers and moisturizers. That is my first tip. So tip number 2, ditch the eye cream, okay? You might be surprised to hear me say that because you know that I love an eye cream in my own routine. But if you are looking to really simplify your skincare routine and save some money, you actually do not need an eye cream as a separate product and a separate step in your skincare routine if you are really just trying to moisturize that under eye area and seal in hydration. Just use your facial moisturizer for this. Now, if you like to choose an eye cream because they typically have that thicker, more occlusive texture and you don't want something like that on all of your face, here is your budget hack. First, apply your face moisturizer, then apply a little bit of Vaseline, which is just plain petroleum jelly. I'm serious, you can get this for just a few dollars. This is actually a trend that's been viral on TikTok and people are loving it, and it's nothing new, okay? People have been doing this for years. I have recommended this for a long time. You literally take plain petroleum jelly, Vaseline, and you just dab it in the under eye skin, and that creates a really occlusive environment there so that you are preventing transepidermal water loss that looks or leads to that crepey texture of the skin there and dry, flaky appearance. So that is what you can do instead of getting an expensive eye cream. Tip number 3, choose dual action products. So by that, I mean choose a skincare product that can do several things all within that one product. This will help you minimize the complexity of your routine and also save some money because you're not having to buy extra products. My favorite example of this, which is what I am using lately, is a vitamin C moisturizer. So this is a product that has a stable form of vitamin C in it, within a very moisturizing base. So instead of buying a separate vitamin C serum and a separate moisturizer, you are buying one single product and simplifying your routine that way. Another great example of this type of product would be an acne cleanser that can double as a mask several times a week. I have a top recommendation of that linked below, and a moisturizer with SPF in it, okay? Another great option of simplifying your morning routine so you can cleanse the skin, put on your treatment product, and then put your dual action or combination product of your moisturizer and SPF on, and then you're done. The caveat here is that you have to use enough of this product to get the SPF on the label. And yet another great example of a dual action product for anti-aging is a retinol that is in a very moisturizing base so that you can just apply one product to treat and moisturize at the same time, which simplifies your routine and keeps your budget down. I have a great example of this by L'Oreal that I have linked in the description. Now for tip number 4, simplify your skincare routine. This is going to save you time and save you money. Gone are the days of these complex 10+ step skincare routines. All that is going to do is very likely irritate your skin or frustrate you because you cannot keep up with something so complex every night of the week, and you're more likely to not get results with this and also spend way more money on all these products. So you can actually get great results with really simple skincare routines, 4 steps or less. Here's an example. In the morning, you're going to cleanse your skin with a gentle cleanser or maybe a gentle chemical exfoliating cleanser. Step 2, apply your treatment product for the most pressing skin condition you want to treat, whether it's acne, aging, dark spots, whatever. Step 3, apply your moisturizer. And step 4 is your SPF. Now you can even condense that morning time skincare routine to 3 steps or even less by using some of these dual action products and still get results that way. And then at night, you can do a simple 2-step to 3-step skincare routine and get great results. Again, the most important thing is consistency in your skincare routine. So please value consistency over complexity, and this is going to also save you money. And tip number 5, ditch your magnifying mirror, okay? This is going to make you focus on just the imperfections in your skin. You're going to feel like you need to spend more money on cosmetic procedures and medical grade skincare products and skincare devices and all of that. I promise you, nobody is looking that closely at your skin except maybe your dermatologist, and you really shouldn't be looking that closely either. The goal is not perfect and flawless skin, because that is unnatural and it's not attainable. That is going to leave you always looking for that next tweak or that next change and never actually being satisfied with your skin. No, instead, the goal is healthy skin and thriving skin. So ditch that magnifying mirror and take a step back. Focus on healthy skin, and a consistent skincare routine will help you achieve that. I hope you found those 5 tips helpful. I have my favorite products linked below. And don't forget, you guys can get healthy skin on a budget. Be consistent and choose the best products for your skin. I'll see you guys soon.